Hello children, let's get into the subject. Chapter 3, Formatting a PowerPoint Presentation. Now let's quickly look into what we are going to focus in this chapter. Applying themes, working with Slide Master, changing and formatting background, adding a smart art, animation in PowerPoint. In the previous class, you learned about presentation software called PowerPoint 2016. You learned how to use PowerPoint to create a presentation, add text and pictures to a slide, add a new slide, delete a slide and more. In this chapter, you will learn how to enhance the appearance of a PowerPoint presentation using built-in templates, applying themes, changing and formatting background. Applying themes. A theme contains a background design, color scheme, font styles, font sizes, and placeholder positions. By using these themes, you can create professional-looking presentations without wasting much time on formatting. To apply a theme in your existing presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the presentation to which you want to apply the theme. Step 2. Click on the Design tab. The theme group displays thumbnails of different theme options. To see additional themes, click on the More arrow button on the right-hand side corner of the Themes group. Step 3. A preview of the theme will appear on the slide whenever you hover the mouse over any theme thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail theme that you want to apply to your presentation. After applying a theme, the Variant group allows you to select several theme colors and choices. Variants do not alter the theme's overall appearance. They only give variants on the color, text, effect, and backdrop of the same theme. A pane with design concepts appears on the right side of the window. This provides you with more presentation design alternatives. You can scroll through the design possibilities to determine if you like it. To apply the concept to the current slide, click the button. You can change the theme from the Design tab at any moment by following the same steps. Modifying theme. After selecting a variant, click the More arrow within the Variant group. Using the provided option, you can modify the colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. Working with Slide Master. The Slide Master manages the whole presentation and includes information like font styles, placeholder sizes, text positioning on slides, placement of objects on slides, bullet styles, color schemes, and background design. The changes made to the Slide Master are applicable to all the slides of a presentation. Slide Master is commonly used for modifying and customizing the background of all slides at the same time, rearranging the placeholders of all slides at the same time, editing and text formatting such as fonts, font color, etc. of all slides at the same time. Slide title and body text are the two placeholders found in the Slide Master. Slide title placeholder contains a title and serves as the first placeholder for the title of a page. This placeholder can be moved at any location on a slide. Body text placeholder contains objects like pictures, charts, and bulleted text. Now let's look at this snippet. Be careful while applying design and layout to the Slide Master. as it will be applied to the entire presentation. Follow these steps to work with Slide Master view. Step 1. Click on the Slide Master button in the Master Views group of the View tab. Step 2. You will see that the Slide Master tab will be selected on the ribbon. The presentation will switch to Slide Master view. Step 3. Scroll up and select the first slide in the left navigation pane, which is the Slide Master. Step 4. All the slides in the Slide Master view appear in the same layout as applied to the Slide Master. For instance, if the Slide Master has the title and content layout, all other slides will appear in the same layout. Make the changes that you wish to make in the Slide Master. Here, you can insert, resize, move, or delete the slide objects. We have resized the flag and moved it to the top right corner. Step 5. When you have made all the changes, click on Close Master View command to close the Slide Master. The change you have made will appear on all the slides of your presentation. Changing and formatting background. When using an inbuilt theme, the background color for the slide is already applied. However, you can apply another background color or add a background picture. You can also add gradient, pattern, or texture to the colored background. To change the background color of a slide, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Click on the Format Background button. Step 2. The Format Background pane appears on the right. You may select the Solid Fill Radio button to apply a single color as the background. You may select the Gradient Fill Radio button to apply a blend of 2 or more colors as the background. You may select the Picture or Texture Fill Radio button to use a picture as a slide background. You may select the Pattern Fill Radio button to apply a pattern as the background. Step 3. Click on the Apply to All button. Adding a Smart Art. Smart Art is a special feature that helps to add graphics to the presentation by creating different kinds of lists, diagrams, processes, or a hierarchy. It is visual representation of information and ideas. It allows us to present huge amount of text or data as charts or diagrams. We can use this feature to make information easier to interpret and understand or to draw attention to important information. Step 1. Click on Smart Art in the Illustrations group under Insert tab. Then choose Smart Art Graphic dialog box appears. Step 2. Click on the desired category from the left pane. All options under this category will appear in the middle pane. Select the required option. A preview of the selected Smart Art appears in the right pane. Step 3. Click OK to insert the selected Smart Art design. The Smart Art is added on the current slide. Click on the same text and type the required text. Animation in PowerPoint. You can animate your presentation. Adding motion or special effects to something is referred to as animation. For example, you may animate an object, a slide, a word art, or an auto shape in PowerPoint. It is a handy tool for focusing the reader's attention on a specific piece of information. It also helps us in making your presentation more attractive and dynamic. You can apply one or more animation types to one object. An entrance animation brings an object onto the slide. An exit animation takes an object off the slide. An emphasis animation enhances the object on a slide by rotating or spinning it. For example, you can have a ball bounce onto the slide and then have it a spin. PowerPoint gives you the flexibility to choose the motion of an animation. For example, the fly in an animation can bring the object onto the screen from any direction. Applying animation to an object. Step 1. Select the object to animate. When applying an entrance animation, place your object where you want it to end. Step 2. Click on the Animations tab. Step 3. Click on the More drop-down arrow in the animation group. The gallery of animations appears. Entrance. The category has effects that control the entry of an object on the slide. Emphasis. The effects in this category are used to highlight key points or objects in a presentation. Exit. This category has effects that control the exit of an object from the slide. Motion paths. This effect is like emphasis effect, but the object moves within the slide along a path or a pattern, such as a circle or a square. Step 4. Click on the desired animation effect. Step 5. The animation is applied to the selected object. Let's have a quick snippet. A star symbol appears before the slide in the slide navigation pane. This symbol indicates that animation effects have been applied to this slide. To see or modify timings of the animation effect that you have selected, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Animations tab. Step 2. Select Preview tool in the Preview group. Modifying animation. After creating the animation effects, you can also modify it. To modify the animation, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the particular object for which you want to change the animation effect. Step 2. Click on the Animations tab. In the Animations group, click on the More button arrow for the animation gallery. Step 3. Choose any of the other animations to replace the existing animation. Step 4. The Timings group in the Animation tab will be enabled as you apply animation effect to the object. There will be 3 options displayed: Start, Duration and Delay. The Start option has 3 sub-options: On click, With previous and After previous. Select how you want the animation to start. On click, start the animation when you click the slide. With previous, start the animation at the same time as the previous animation so that one click executes 2 animation effects. After previous, start the animation immediately after the previous animation. If this is the first animation on the slide, selecting the option will start the animation as soon as the slide appears. Click the up and down arrows in the duration and delay fields to adjust the timings. Slide transitions. The sequence in an animated film are presented one after the other. There are no pauses between scenes. Similarly, We may accomplish the same effect in a PowerPoint presentation by the use of a slide transition. In a presentation, the way in which one slide follows another on the screen is known as the transition. In normal or slide sorter view, you can apply a transition to a single slide, multiple slides, or all slides. Step 1. Select the slide or slides to which you want to apply a transition. Step 2. On the Transitions tab, click on the More drop-down arrow. The gallery of transitions appear. Step 3. Click on a transition. You can randomly apply the desired transition to each slide in your presentation. PowerPoint applies the transition to the selected slides. The transition icon appears beside the slide's thumbnail. Note: you can click Effect option to change the direction of the transition movement. Adding audio with transitions. Using the transition effect, you can also insert sound effect that would be played with each transition. To add sound with each transition, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Transitions tab. Step 2. Press and hold the Ctrl key while you select the transition slides you want to add to the sound. Step 3. In the timing group, click on the sound button and select a sound from the list. Note: if you choose loop until next sound, the current sound selection will keep playing until the next selected sound is played. Step 4. Click on the Preview button in the Preview group to see a demo of the transition. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key. Now that we have finished the chapter, let's have a quick chapter recap. Themes are built-in features that allow you to quickly alter the layout and style of a presentation you have made. Colors, fonts, and effects are unique to each theme. Variants do not alter the theme's overall appearance. The new theme effects are used rapidly, alter the appearances of presentation shapes. The Slide Master is utilized to provide the default arrangement and appearance of the presentation slide. A smart art graphic is a visual representation of information and ideas using text containing images, lists, and designs. Animations are visual effects that can be applied to text and other elements on a presentation. In a presentation, the way in which one slide follows another on the screen is known as the transition.